Hey all, it's Natalie, and I'm here with the Not Just for Boys Kit Club Noteworthy Limitless Kit again this month. And I'm creating a double page life crafted traveler's notebook size spread. I'm going to document my birthday. The ephemera kit, that's the Main Street ephemera from Uniquely Creative, has a lot of birthday elements in it. It has plenty of other elements that are not birthday related, but it has quite a few birthday ones. So I pulled out a bunch that I wanted to use, mostly green and the turquoise teal color. And I'm kind of deciding what else I want to use on the main page. So what I end up doing is I'm cutting down that triangle paper, and it is called Estate Agent. And so I cut that to the traveler's notebook size, which is I think it's like 4 1/4 by 8 1/4 or something like that. And it's going to go in that life crafted page protector. And it's going to house a 3x4 photo of me and my college roommate. She lives in Oregon. And so we were there on my birthday last year, and we went out to have dinner that night, and it was awesome. So I like that little fun little, it's supposed to be flowers, but it almost looks like an ampersand. And I like the turquoise color because it kind of matches the background behind us in our photo. And so on the right there, I have a grid design of 2x2 sheets. So the opposite side of the Estate Agent triangle page is this yellow paper. So I'm just cutting an inch or so wide strip of paper to go down the left side to add another pop of that color. It doesn't fully go across the whole thing, but that's okay. I'm going to cover that up with another piece of paper. So I do want a little bit of texture, so I rough up the edges of the cardstock around the photo, as well as the strip of paper there. And then I ink them up with some navy blue ink to kind of help tie together with the navy blue elements that I've picked in that die cut from the Main Street ephemera. What else do we have going on over here? I'm inking them up. Yeah, and this is going to go in my travel album from this trip that we took out to the Pacific Northwest. It's a 6x8 album, but I'm doing all different size page protectors in it. And if the holes don't match up, I just punch new holes. I don't really sweat it too much. So it was coming off, and it's not outside the page protector, which is the one that I typically do. This one is inside the page protector. So I sliced off the side of the die cut that was sticking out, and I am going to use it on the other side. I thought that I would use it to cover that gap, but it didn't fully cover the gap, but that's okay because I decided to go in with a 49th and Market piece of paper from the kit that is green and add in a little bit of the green colors so that I can use some of the green embellishments. I will link down below to go get your own Noteworthy Limitless kit. There are still a few available in the store, and today also on this blog they are showing sneak peeks of the March kit, which is amazing as per usual. So make sure to go check that out. What are we doing? I am roughing up the edges of some of the die cut ephemera. Oh, that was a little slice from the Simple Stories cut apart sheet that was in the kit. But I thought that it would be fun. It kind of matches the background paper, and it says love this. So it was just a cute little element to add another layer behind my photo there. And this is where I decided to use that green, it's like turquoise green, I guess, piece to kind of go across the middle to add another layer and cover up that gap between the strips of paper. And you can see that Catherine Pooler's stamp set over on the right. It is like, I think the stamp set is called Hey There Dumpling, but it's like Asian food themed. And so we went to eat at Look Lak's Vietnamese kitchen, and it was delicious. And so I thought it would be cute to use a couple of little stamps to kind of show where we ate. So I use what do I use? A dumpling and a fortune cookie, which I don't even know if we got fortune cookies or not, but it was really close to Chinatown, which is where we took a ghost tour. And the only thing scary about that tour was all of the fighting that we encountered along the way by the drug addicts in the street. It was not awesome. It's a little scary, but that's okay. We survived. And it was beautiful. Like the architecture was beautiful. And that restaurant was really cool. And you can see, like, I took pictures of the inside of the restaurant and everything. And we walked to get s'mores because it was my birthday. And we went to this, like, bougie little hipster s'mores place. And they, like, toasted the marshmallow in front of you. And it was just super cool. So I am using a couple of the little pieces that says we are here to do my journaling. I'll do that off screen, but I basically just did, like, a bulleted list of the places that we went, things that we encountered that evening. I did second generation stamping to get the perfect color for the dumpling and the fortune cookie. So now I'm just doing the little message on the fortune cookie, which is going to say friends. I had this, like, tiny little stamp from Heidi Swap, like a definition stamp, and so the friends would fit perfectly, and we are old friends. It's so nice to go see old friends and pick right back up where you left off, you know. So that's fabulous. We hung out another time on that trip too, and I would like to go back. Ugh, Portland was amazing. Not Portland, but, like, Oregon was amazing. All the waterfalls, incredible. All right, so that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and like I said, I'll link down below to the Not Just for Boys kit clubs. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like, I would love it if you would like and subscribe. Bye, y'all.